Good morning, YouTube. So, someone was inquiring about push lock part numbers. So these are the ones that we purchased from Amazon, which do 3/8 to 5/16 line. We also have 8 to 10 millimeter too, which we believe is the same.
On the 3/8 to 5/16.
And we checked the 10 millimeter to 8 millimeter, and they seem exactly the same. But we have both versions of it, and that'll take your
well, and we've looked it up before, and we've used both.
yeah. So these are your Dorman lines. Most part stores have these. Even Amazon stock these. These aren't cheap either, so you can get your configuration of what you need. So if your fuel pump feed is 3/8 or 5/16 straights or 90s, all the numbers start with an 800 -0, and then the 60 tells you what line this is. So a 060 is 5/16 90-degree push lock, and then you have straight and 3/8. I think it's 3/8. Nope, 5/16 800-050. So you kind of see how the beginning numerics for 800, and then a dash, and then a 0. I don't have all of them in stock.
We generally only keep 90 and straight.
So that's GM 3/8 straight. See, it's 800-58.
And that one's 3/8.
Yeah, that's 3/8. And then I also keep plastic coils in stock. I don't use these for the lines, although we could. I rather just use the connectors. So I have 8 to 8.
10 to 8.
10 to 8. We have all the variations now. Thanks for watching. If you need some info, hit me up. Judester.